Hi everyone, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for an amazing way to upgrade your bedroom? Well, this full-size bed by EnHomee has been a total game changer for me. The headboard keeps all my important nighttime things reachable and easy to find. The sleek design added more space to my bedroom without compromising quality and style. And I love the spacious capacity underneath. I need easy access to all my shoes. The drawers slide effortlessly, even on my carpet, and they look seamless and hidden from view. Every piece was packaged with care and is built to last. I'll be keeping this for a long time. Following the detailed instructions made this a fun, easy project. You definitely should have a helper. I seriously am very happy and I love every aspect of this bed by EnHomee. And I think you will too. But that's just my point of view.